Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. You know when you walk into a business and every team feels like they're running their own mini universe? Not necessarily a bad thing, but it makes it hard to see who actually drives which decisions, who owns what responsibilities, and how work really moves across the organization. That's exactly where organization modeling steps in. It gives you the map behind the scenes so you can make smarter calls. Today, we're exploring organization modeling. This technique helps you understand structure, authority, responsibilities, and how work flows between groups. Here's how it all connects. Let's look into it. Why does organization modeling matter so much in business analysis? Let's walk through each point and unpack them clearly. Identifies how teams and roles fit together. This matters because without a clear view of who does what, it's easy to misinterpret responsibilities, decision rights, and handoffs. Organization modeling lets you zoom out and see the entire structure at a glance. Clarifies authority, decision making, and reporting lines. Projects slow down fast when no one knows who can approve what. By visualizing reporting lines, you can see exactly where authorizations sit and avoid messy escalation paths. Helps BAs understand stakeholders' influence and impact. Not all stakeholders carry the same weight. This technique highlights influencers, decision makers, and key players so you can engage the right people from the very beginning. What makes organization modeling such an effective technique? It gives a single view of structure across the business. Instead of scattered org charts and outdated documents, you get one consolidated view the whole project can rely on. It reduces misalignment around responsibilities. When everyone sees the same structure, there's far less debate about who owns processes, decisions, or outcomes. It reveals structural gaps or overlaps. Maybe two teams are doing the same task, or maybe a critical role has no clear owner. Organization modeling exposes those gaps early, long before they turn into project issues. When is organization modeling the right technique to use? At the start of a project to understand stakeholders. This helps you quickly map who needs to be engaged and who has decision rights. During process analysis to clarify who owns each step. It links the people side to the process side, reducing confusion, duplication, and rework. Before designing new structures or roles, if a business change will reshape teams, this technique helps you compare the current state with the proposed future state. How do you actually apply organization modeling in a real project? Let's walk through each step clearly. Step 1. Identify roles, teams, and reporting relationships. Start with what exists today: organizational charts, stakeholder lists, team structures, job descriptions. Step 2. Validate the structure with stakeholders. Roles can look tidy on paper but operate very differently in real life. Use workshops or interviews to confirm how work actually flows. Step 3. Map the model in a clear, visual format. Create an organizational diagram that shows reporting lines, decision points, and key responsibilities. Keep it simple. Readability is the priority. Step 4. Use the model to support analysis. Refer to it when identifying gaps, ownership, or process responsibilities. It becomes a reference point throughout the entire project lifecycle. Let's look at a real simple example. Here's a sample organization model for a mid-sized service team. At the top, we've got a head of operations. Reporting to them are three managers: service delivery, support, and quality. Below those managers, you'll see the individual roles: service officers, analysts, and coordinators. This layout highlights clear responsibility areas. For example, quality reports independently, so audit isn't influenced by service delivery, which is crucial when assessing performance. This example also shows a structured template businesses can reuse: top-level leadership, mid-tier managers, operational roles, specialized or support units. Here are some quick pro tips to level up the technique. Keep the diagram simple and legible. The goal is clarity, not decoration. Confirm the actual reporting structure, not just the formal one. Use color accents sparingly to highlight changes, gaps, or future state roles. Organization modeling gives you clarity on structure, responsibilities, and influence, all crucial for making informed decisions as a BA. If you're ready to build on this, the next technique we're exploring is business cases. See you then.